In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own drop servicing website so that you can be able to make money through drop servicing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, even whilst you sleep through your drop servicing website. Now, if you don't know what drop servicing is, it's a simple process of connecting people online, helping people who are service providers to find clients, and you get paid for just connecting the two of them. You are getting paid for being a middleman. Now, through drop servicing, I've been able to generate over 400,000 rands in the past 1 year and a half, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own website straight after the intro.
My name is Malaba, and I'm on a mission to expose the income secrets of some of Africa's online millionaires. I want to become one of them, and I want to take you along the journey. If you want to learn how to build an online business which will give you financial freedom, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified every single time I create content just like this, designed to help you achieve financial freedom. Let's go.
Okay, maybe you've got no idea what drop servicing is and you've never watched my previous videos before. I've created a whole lot of content about the drop servicing model, and I'm just going to put a link right here for you to be able to watch and see the previous videos. I'm going to link to the playlist. But basically, drop servicing is the process of connecting people online. You're simply finding people who need services and connecting them to people who are able to provide the services. For example, let's say that you know someone who is running a business and they need help with finding more customers. There are two ways that they can do that. They can use Facebook advertising or they can use Instagram advertising. Now, most business owners don't have the time to learn how to do that. So what do? They find people to actually do it for them. And yourself, you can start your own business offering those exact same services that those people need. First option that you have is to actually find a course where you can go and learn how to do that. Or you can use the drop servicing model where you find someone who already provides those services. All you do is that you ask them, how much do you charge for this service? Once they tell you their price, for example, if they charge you $1,000 for that service, you go and find a client who is willing to pay $1,500, $1,700, or even $2,000 for that particular service. And then all you do is that you connect the two people, the one who's actually able to provide the service and the one who's willing to provide the service. And then you take that amount, the difference, as your commission or as your profit. That's how the drop servicing model actually works. And now, in an effort to actually teach you more about this, I've created a whole lot of videos like I mentioned. You can go and watch those videos, or I've got a masterclass which is called the 0 to 1,000 Online Business Masterclass, where I teach you how to make your first $1,000 online using the drop servicing model. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Secondly, I've also got a PDF book, a book that you can download that teaches you everything that I know about drop servicing. It's just going for $7. I'm also going to put the link in the description below. It actually shows you, it gives you the template for making your first $1,000 online through drop servicing. And then lastly, I actually have got a drop servicing course. It's called the 6-Figure Drop Servicing Mastery course. You also can sign up for that. I'm also going to put the link in the description below. It's going to give you access directly to me so that I can be able to teach you and mentor you how to do drop servicing. Okay, so now I want to show you how to actually build a drop servicing website. And the tool I'm going to be using to build my website, I'm going to be demonstrating how it's done, is the tool I'm going to be using is called System.io. I did a previous video about this, and you can see that video right here, and where I'm explaining how I made over 256,000 rands by simply using this one tool. I made that money in the space of, in about less than a year. So there are three ways in which you can actually use this tool to build income for yourself. Firstly, you can build your own website like I'm going to show you in this video. Secondly, you can actually start using this tool to build websites for other people. And it's going to benefit you in that it's going to be extra money in your pocket. But also thirdly, you can actually get paid for telling other people about this software and this tool. So I've got a free course that teaches you how to make money in those three ways, and the link is going to be in the description below again. It's going to be written System.io something there. Just sign up for it. I'll give you access to the course for free, and it's just going to basically teach you how to use this website builder, which I'm about to demonstrate right now. So if you're interested in it, click that link below. But for now, let me show you how to build a drop servicing website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your drop servicing website using System.io, and I'm going to be copying
my personal website, which is this one here, marshallmalaba.com. And I'm going to be just setting up all this inside of system.io. So you've probably heard me mention somewhere along the line that this website is built with Kajabi, but system.io is able to do the exact same things that Kajabi does. So we're just going to be basically recreating everything that you see here and then putting it inside of Kajabi. I might not do it exactly the same, but the information is going to be the same. The images are going to be similar. Yeah, and then like the function in terms of like what happens when someone comes to my website. The only thing that I want them to do is just be able to click on a button. The button appears there, the button appears here. I want them to click on a button and then book a call with me. So that's where they're going to be taken so that they can just book that call with me. If you're trying to figure out, okay, what exactly should I write on my website? We've mentioned it already in a previous module. You need to look at your competitors. What are they writing on their websites? And then you can also come to my own website and then like just see like the way that I write the content, the type of flow that I use. There's a methodology to it. You don't just want to just have details, but you want to always lead people to a specific thing. Book a call with Marshall, right? This is the information is just basically justifying why they should book a call with me, or it's just actually instructing them to book a call with me. So now let's build this up inside of system.io. So we're going to come here to system, and then we're going to click on menu, click on funnels, and then we're going to create a new funnel. So I can choose to build, use the build an audience or sell or custom or run an evergreen. I'm just going to go for the option to say custom. Right? Then I'm going to click on create. I need to name it. As you can see, I'm just going to name this Marshall. Can't spell my name, Malaba. As you can see, then obviously there it says US dollars, because normally like if you click on the option for sell, you're going to be able to sell something. But I just want to click on this option to say, just going to leave it as US dollars. So I'm just going to click on create. It's going to take a few seconds there to create. And then it's going to come here, right? It's going to then ask me, okay, I need to create a step. So if the option I use when I say create from scratch, I have to just choose now what are the things that I want to appear. So I'm going to click on this part where it says create a step. And then I'm just going to name this Marshall Malaba again. And then on type, I want to scroll down to where it says sales page, right? So that I can get the options. I'll show you which options I'm referring to right now. Okay, so sales page there, and then all these different templates are going to pop up of different sales pages that I want. So you notice that here I have got a menu, work with Marshall, book a call, sign up for Kajabi, log in. I don't know what you're going to be writing here on your menu, and then there's my logo over there. So usually what I'd recommend is that you have a page without a menu, but let's say that you want to have a menu. I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can actually build a website inside of system. What makes it a website? Basically, you're building landing pages, but what makes it a website is that you can connect each page by the, by the menu option. So I'm just going to look for an option that has got the menu. You basically can use any template here. So I'm just going to find one that has got a menu, and then I'm just going to use it. So let's just preview all these different ones until we find one with a menu. Okay, so I've checked out all these pages. I just had to pause the screen a bit because my network was now super slow. I didn't want to waste your time. So I just found this one that has got the home, pricing, offer, sign up, contact. Then there's a buy now button. Then there's a logo over here. So it's this one here. I'm going to click on select. And okay, now I can get to edit it. So I'm just going to change here the URL path to just Marshall Malaba, like that. And I've explained in previous videos that if you want this to be your own domain, you're going to have to use the paid package of system. So click here on save. And then I'm going to click on this one here so that I can start editing everything here. Okay, while it's taking a second just to load up, I'm just going to close all these demo pages here. Okay, so this is what we want to build. Marshall, my logo there, then work with Marshall, book a call, sign up for Kajabi, log in, right? So I'm just going to click here where it says image. I'm going to click on the image first, right? Then when it says image file, I'm going to click on this X so that there's no image there, as you can see. Okay, I think I'm doing the wrong thing. I need to come here firstly and then just click on, I need to take this text and then bring it and drag it in there. Can you see where how it's highlighted in blue? I'm just going to drag it like that. And then I'm going to click on the image and then I'm going to delete it. Click OK. And then I'm just going to highlight all that and then type my name, Marshall Malaba. Like that, I'm going to highlight the text. As you can see now, there's my name there. What's next? Work with Marshall, book a call, sign up for Kajabi. So I can come here where it says home. I just need to click on there where it says menu. Then can you see it shows me these options here. So I'm going to change this to work with Marshall, right? And then can you see here, it wants you to put a link so that like if I click on work with Marshall here, for me, it's going to take me to this page where I'm at. So it's for like, if you're on another page, this is where you're going to come back to. But now if I click on book a call, it's going to take me to another page where someone can book a call. If I click on sign up for Kajabi, take me a different page. So basically you're going to be create exactly the same way that we're creating a page here. You're going to do that for the other pages, right? And then you're going to take the links to those pages and then put them here. So that's going to be the link there. The next page is book a call with Marshall. I come here where it says pricing. I'm going to change that to book a call, right? Did I write it with Marshall or it's just book a call? It's just book a call, right? Then the next thing there is sign up for Kajabi. The next one here, sign up for Kajabi. Now, obviously, you are not going to be writing this because you're going to be writing according to what you want. I'm just showing you how simple it is to copy another website and then recreate it inside of system. So another thing that I always want to do is that I want to always make sure that I click on save, just in case the power goes or the internet goes down. If you haven't saved, you're going to lose all your work, right? And then the last thing there, can you see it says login. It's going to be like that. So save changes. Then I can click on this eye so that I can review what it looks like so far. Then as you can see, work with Marshall, book a call, sign up for Kajabi, login, contact. Where it says contact, I want to delete that because I don't have that on my website, but it can be something good for you to have. And then there's a buy now button there. I can choose to keep it. Let's see what it looks like here firstly. Now you see everything now is in line there. Then there's a buy now. I can just change that buy now to book a call with Marshall. I'm going to click on it there. Then I'm going to scroll here to the left and look for the section where I can edit the text. It says buy now there. So I'm going to say book a call. Free call, right? And then I want to change this green to something. My favorite color is red. I'm just going to change this to red. Just like that. And then if you really look closely, you notice that like there's a blue background there. I don't want it. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find here where it says color. That's the border. It's green actually, not blue. I'm going to click on this option here where it says nothing. Can you see it right here? So I've clicked on that. Now it's clear. I'm going to click on save changes. All right, done. I come back to, okay, what am I trying to build? Click on work with Marshall, take me back to the first page. What happens next? Launch your first or next online course without the tech headache. I'm just going to copy this. Can you see it's like nice, big, and bold? So it says better landing page. I'm just going to copy there. I'm just going to paste in there. Right? I'm going to come to the next thing. You are an expert, blah, blah, blah. Copy this. I'm just going to paste it in there, right? And then what comes after? Immediately book a call with Marshall. So here we're going to have, there's an image here. I don't need this image. So I'm just going to hover over there, click on delete on the pin, delete that. Is this section also as well? Delete that, just like that. Hover like that. Delete that. There is this privacy policy thingy here. Delete that. Click OK. Then I'm going to come here to call to action, form input button. I'm going to take the button and drag it and throw it there. Right? I'm going to click on it, scroll down, click here, bottom text. I'm going to write book call with Marshall. Just like that. The subtext, I want to remove it. Okay, then my color is red. Then we're going to scroll down and remove the border. We don't want a border. Boom, save changes. Now, as you can see, like there's no space under here. It's like it's just the red and then immediately it goes to the white. So I want to add a bit of space there. So I just want to click on the button again. And then there's somewhere here where it says margin. So there's a top margin. Currently it's at 25. I want to just reduce that. Since it's getting closer to the text here. And then the bottom margin, I want to increase it. Let's just maybe leave it at 30 like that. Save changes. Click on the eye. Can you see this is what my website is looking like now? And then now the next thing obviously is my background here is white. So I want to change this also to white. So I'm just going to click on the image. Make sure the image is clicked. And then I look for an option to background color. Currently it's on transparent. I'm going to search for white. There's white there. Save changes. Now, if I preview it, what has happened? That's what it looks like. Now, can you see here, like there's a bit of an image here at the back. It's an issue of padding. So I just need to come here where it says margin, and I take that to 0. Right? Save changes. Preview. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to be making the exact same website, but right here in system.io. So the next section on the website that I need to add, there's more text, as you can see. So I'm just going to copy all the text. I wish I had saved this background. Let me see if I'm able to save. Okay, I'm not able to save that background. I don't remember where I got this background image here. I wish I would have loved. Okay, let me just pause this briefly and see if I can find it. Then I'll come back. Okay, so I managed to find the image that I was looking for. What we want to do next now is like we want to build the section. We want to have like a background image, as you can see there, and then we're going to have the text over that background image. So I'm just going to quickly just copy all this text, just like this. Control C. Then I'm going to come here. First thing that I want to do is I want to just highlight over the whole section. As you can see, it's in green as compared to here. Make sure that's in green. That's the whole section. Then I'm just going to click on this option here to duplicate. I want to clone that or to duplicate, whatever you want to call it, because I want to use some of that. As you can see, it's the same thing over and over again because I want to use it. Just going to click on Save Changes. Click on the section. Turn green there. Click there, and then I'm going to come here to upload background image. Click on it, and then I'm going to find the image that I want to use. So I couldn't find the exact one, so I'm just going to use this one for now. See, it's uploaded, then click on insert. As you can see, it now covers the whole background there. Then what I want to then do is I want to delete these images here. Okay, there's the whole row there. Just click on delete, so that I only have that text. Then there's this bottom text here, which I don't, maybe I might need it. Okay. Remember, I copied and pasted earlier. So there, I've just pasted the text. Let's see if I can push this as H1. And then if I can change this one and make it smaller, H3. Okay, apparently it changes everything. So I need to enter the text maybe 1 by 1, because all the text is changing at the same time. But I'm sure you get what's happening there. Maybe let me just click on this one quickly. That's why I saved it. Okay, let's delete this. Highlight everything there. Okay, then we come back here. We're going to delete everything here until we get to the, except the top. Like this. Then we're just going to click on the text and then come here where it says text background color. Click there, and then we make it white like that. And then we want to just change the padding a bit. Let's make that 21 to the right. The left also, let's make it 21. As you can see, I'm creating some spacing here. Then we're going to do the same thing for this top heading here. We click on it, and then we come here to padding. Let's change that to 21. Okay, and then obviously we have to add the color. Something like that. Then we want to remove the spacing here. Okay, I'm not seeing the option to remove it. So I guess it would just have been easier for us just to continue with the text like this. But yeah, I guess you guys see exactly what I'm doing. I don't want this video to be way too long. This one, let me just delete it. Okay, then now we're going to come here and then just delete this. Come here and delete this. Click on Save Changes. So what I'm worried about now is that this video is probably going to take way too long for me to finish everything. As you can see, I still have got some other sections that I need to go through, but I'm already showing you that this is so simple and easy. It's just going in there and then just replacing stuff. So the next section is going to have like my image, it's going to have text and then a call to action over there. Then it's going to have these different images. When you click on these images, you go to the websites that I've built for these different people, as you can see. So it's just examples of the websites that I've set up, and then comes here to where like their testimonials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to finish building the website, and then I'm going to come back and then show you what it now looks like compared to the Kajabi one, comparing the system one, and then you just see that this is how easy it is to actually set this up all up in system. Okay, just maybe something else briefly there. This section here, as you can see, I've got an image here, and then I've got like my text, and I've got a call to action. If you want to create something like this, all you just need to do is come here to sections, right? Then there's this one where it says 2 columns. I'm going to click on the 2 columns and then just drag it here where I want it to be, just like that. So now I can see I've got 2 columns here. So there's going to be the image to the right and then the text. So I'm just going to copy the text just like that. And then here, I'm going to look for the text option. The text, right? Here's the text. I'm going to drag the text and drop it in there like that. And then I'm going to highlight and paste what I want to be in there, right? And then I want the text to be leaning to the left. Okay, we'll sort that out later. Then here on this other one, I want to drag an image. So I find the image option, there's the image, and then I just drag it there like that. And then now it wants me to select a file. So I look for a file, image, and I just drag it and drop it in there. Right, that's the image. I click on insert. Simple and as easy as that. And then here I'm going to have a call to action at the bottom. So I look for the button option, and then I just drag it there and I drop it. I want it to appear right here. Okay, it's choosing to misbehave a bit. I'm just going to correct this right now. But yeah, basically that's it. That's how you set up like sections like that. If you want to have maybe, let's say you are doing like, let's see, look at the next section here. It's going to have these 3 different parts. If you want to have it from scratch without using a template, let's say your template doesn't have that, you just come here to the columns, you take the 3 columns and then you paste them there, and just do exactly what I just showed you right now. Now you notice that this background here, we've got our wood background there. If I scroll down, this part here is also meant to have a wood background, but then there is this white that's being exposed. If you compare the two, here, like if I scroll, the image remains in the same position, and here it's there's the background. So if in order to fix that so that the wood still continues, I just need to simply click there. Click on the background again, and then I scroll down until I get to where it says background position. I want to choose full center fixed, right? Full center fixed means that it does not move. But if I scroll here, can you see the text moves, but the background doesn't move? So that's something that you may want to do. And as you can see, I've just saved my changes there. Okay, so like I mentioned, I'll go ahead and I'll finish setting up the website, and I think I am done. So I'm just going to click Save Changes once again, and then I'm just going to click on the I so that we can just now review our page. And now just to remind you of what exactly we were building, this is our website. There's my name there, there's the menu. Actually, I'm now remembering I haven't changed this to black yet. Okay, but I can change that, not a problem. There's the details there, there's the wooden background, there's the text overlay there, then there's me, the image of me there, and then there's the text, there's a call to action. When someone clicks on the call to action, they get taken to another page where they can book a call with me. While it's loading, I'll show you. There are these links here, these images of different websites I've set up. Like if I click on these 2 here, Okay, let's just do these 3 here. Those are websites that I've built for my clients. So like I mentioned, book a call, someone will come to this page, they'll click, they will come and see this option where they can choose a time to book a call with me. And then there's website I've built for a client, another website I've built for a client, another website that I've built up for a client, right? Okay, so now as you can see, there's a system logo, there's my logo there. Now I've done the exact same website using system now. As you can see there, I just need to change this menu to black so that it's the same. But otherwise, I added a call to action, just maybe to add more call to actions to the page. When someone clicks on that, they come to this page where they can book a call with me. Here's my wooden background. Like I couldn't find the exact wooden background I used the first time, so I used a different one. It's scrollable. There's the text there, as you can see. There I am, Marshall. There's my link there to book a call. Once again, someone clicks it, they'll get taken to this page. They are the different website examples that I've built up. If I click on them, they also all open up. As you can see, they go to the website examples. There are my, what you call testimonials. Yeah, so basically everything that I built up in Kajabi, I've been able to build it up here in system. And then I just added like a frequently asked questions. That's something that I wanted to add to my website, but I've been forgetting to do it. So you can do it maybe for your own. Someone will come here, what are your working hours? They'll just click on that. And then obviously this is in Latin at the moment, but you're going to just go in and then just edit yours. You just add that. And then the last thing I'll just need to do is just add like the, what you call these, the social media icons. I could have done it, but it was now taking way too long. So I didn't want this video to be too long. Then as you can see, obviously there's the system.io show that we actually built this in system. So that's how simple and easy it is to actually build your platform using system. If you've got any questions, just let me know. But otherwise, it's that simple.
All right, so that was a quick demo of how you can actually build a drop servicing website using the system.io tool. I tried to make this video as short as possible so that it's just showing you what's possible. But if you really want to get an in-depth training on how to actually use system.io, like I mentioned earlier on, there's a link in the description below with system.io registration. Just click on that link and register for system.io, and then I will give you free access to a course that I created for you, which will teach you everything you need to know about the system.io tool. And those 3 ways of making money, which include building your own website and making money from it. Number 2, building websites for other people. And then thirdly, getting paid to tell other people about system.io. Those are different streams of income that you can make for yourself. And hey, thanks so much for watching up to this far. If you're still here, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It will show me that, okay, this is something that you found value in, and also help with the YouTube algorithm, in that more people will be able to see this video. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll be notified you'll be notified every single time I create these videos. The reason why you want to be subscribed is because I share videos, I share content about how to build income online or how to build online businesses. So you definitely don't want to miss out when I share more video content like this. And you might also be interested in these other videos that I've got right here that show you other different ways of making money online. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching this far. My name is Marshall Malaba, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.